Well, end of my days here. Just thought we'd look at these beds one more time. Take a stroll through the house. Apparently I get to do a hidden barn door right here. That's gonna be fun. Let's not forget the stairway to book heaven. And I'll show you what I worked on today. 2 tables and a long bed bench. That's today's progress. Tomorrow I'll finish making louvers so the air conditioner can blow nice and cold. I worked on some of the ceiling as well. Anyways, thanks for joining in on these carpentry videos. Much love across the globe. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you guys later.